Want to permanently close your Piggyvest account? In this video, I will show you the correct way to request account closure, what to do before closing your account, and how to avoid delays during the process. I will be showing you step by step on how to close your account. Step 1. Prepare your account. Before requesting account closure, ensure you have withdrawn available funds and completed any pending transaction. That is, if you have any money in your Piggyvest account, make sure you have withdrawn it, or any pending transaction, withdraw it. If you have funds in safe lock or log target safes, you will need to wait until they mature before your account can be fully closed. That is, if you have any lock funds in your account, you have to wait for the target date before you can request for account closure. Step 2. Download your account statement. It is a good idea to download your account statement. You have to go to account, then generate account statement. Before closing your account, open Piggyvest account, go to account, select generate account here like this, and save a copy of your records. That is, after you generate your statement of account, then save the record of it. The step 3. Contact Piggyvest support. Piggyvest does not currently offer one tap delete but inside the app. To close your account, contact Piggyvest support by email or phone and request account closure. You will provide enough information for identity verification. Step 4. Send an account closure request. Send a clear account closure request to Piggyvest support and include your registered account details so they can verify ownership. Then step 5, which is the last step of it, identity verification. Piggyvest may ask for additional information to verify your identity before processing to close your request. This is a security measure designed to protect your account and funds. Okay, step 6, the last one. Wait for confirmation, because you have to wait for confirmation after your processing to know that Piggyvest has already closed your account. Once your request is approved and all pending transactions have been completed, Piggyvest will close your account. Any remaining balance will be transferred to your linked bank account according to their account closure policy. So that is how to close your Piggyvest account. If this tutorial help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more